Remember, like I said, this video is for educational purposes only. All right. What's good, YouTube? It's your man, the son of some man.
Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my son? Who's my...
And we are back with another video. What's up, guys? What's going on? I know things seem a little bit different. You know why? That's because they are. Because last night I took the time out to think things and redo my entire sneaker room. I took all the sneakers from downstairs and I brought them all the way upstairs to my attic. So I was gonna record that too, but it was a lot of stuff to do. If you want to check out the pictures and whatnot, what I went through, it's going to be on my Instagram. It should be on my story. I'm not going to post them on my feed, but it'll be on my story. You can check me out at Real Son of Some Man on IG. Link will be in the description down below. Anyway, guys, if you are brand new to the channel and this is your first time tuning in, please do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button down below. Also, if you want to be notified when I drop a brand new video, just do me a favor. Click that bell down below and it'll let you know every time I drop a brand new video. Anyway, guys, we're going to jump right into today's video. Today, we're going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 11 Cool Grays. We got a retail pair. We're going to be taking a look at this replica pair. And also, I got a 2010 pair just laying around. We'll take a look at that too. But anyway, guys, without further ado, let's get into today's review. All right, guys, first we're going to take a look at this is the retail pair. Trust me, we're gonna be taking a much more detailed look at it, but I just want to show you guys right there. And this is the UA pair. Now, if you want the links to the the person who's selling these replicas, the links will be in the description down below. Also, I will have his WhatsApp number down below. I will have her WhatsApp number down below as well. I kept telling him, yes, sir. She's like, you failed to forget that I'm a woman. So I got to say, yes, ma'am. So, yes, ma'am. I will be leaving all her links in the description down below. So make sure you check her out. And remember, guys, this is for educational purposes only. I don't want nobody scamming anybody, nothing like that, because that's not cool, dude. It just feels horrible. It's a horrible feeling. I've had it done to me before. So please do not do it. Remember, like I said, this video is for educational purposes only. All right, guys. Now I know, most people don't care, but this is the replica pair. As you can see, it's got this get sticker right here. I don't know what that is, but whatever. Medium gray, multicolor, size 12. As you can see, US price $225. Now, this is the retail box. As you can see, there's not really a crazy difference, but once you put them together, you'll definitely see it. Air Jordan 11 retro multi-grade. The texts are different. All right, let's go like this. All right. Anyway, here are the sizes. Here's the boxes. Top being the replica, bottom being the authentic. All right, this is the retail pair. Nothing really crazy. Comes with the same plastic. Nothing too significant. Same thing, except for this guy. I told you, it always comes with these StockX tags that I don't like. It comes with this Jordan bag, which is pretty dope. But same thing, paper. It's got that sticker. Got everything's the same. All right, guys, here we go. Here is the front of the replica and the front of the UA. Now, I guarantee you from this alone, you cannot pick which one is real. Obviously, you got a 50-50 chance of picking the correct one, but you can't tell me it's not difficult, man. Look at this. Just look at this, man. It's literally night and day. I'm gonna be giving you guys a closer look at the materials as well, but I just want to show you guys how crazy this is. Now, this one is the replica. This one is the authentic pair. I mean, you could tell the difference if you have the authentic pair in front of you. You know what I'm saying? We'll check out this one because we can see the Jumpmans from this side better. As you can see, the Jumpmans are definitely different. Different height difference. So See that Jumpman on the replica pair? This one's more fresh than this one. See, the gray pattern on the back is different too. The color is actually different. The 23, I don't know, it might look better on the replica pair. But as you can see as well, the patent leather cuts are different. It's not a real crazy significant difference, but you know, there's a slight difference in color, as you can see right there. The carbon fiber is different. The outsole is a little different, but like I said, man, if you don't have the actual shoe in front of you, man, you'll never ever know, dude. You will never ever know, dude. See, look at that. I mixed that up. That goes there, that goes there. So now you tell me you got these in front of you. You're not gonna be able to tell. No freaking way. Now this is the authentic pair. As you can see, very, very clean. No really crazy flaws. As you can see here, you got the widow's peak there. As I mentioned before, that Jumpman is pretty clean. Stitching is actually pretty clean as well. Now you see the shape. The shape is definitely different, man. See? Now here we have the replica. You can tell right off the bat. Well, obviously I can tell because I have a retail pair of Cool Grays. Stitching is not the same. The color is a bit different, but yet still a very good product. The widow's peak is actually in the wrong spot. It's over here, but you really can't see it, but it's really not that big of a deal, man. See, like I said, the shape is different. See, that's what I mean by the shape being different. The front pair is a replica pair, the back pair is the retail pair. But like I said, the difference is night and day, man. You really can't tell unless you have a retail pair in front of you, which I do. And like I said, this video is for educational purposes only. All right, guys, here we have the inside part of the shoe. It's just amazing, man, what these what these UA factories are doing. They're actually making things a lot clearer now. A lot clearer. It's just amazing. Anyway, we're gonna take a look at you see the difference of the cut on the patent leather. UA on top, retail on bottom. Also, there's a little bit of a difference with the carbon fiber. Shit. That's the retail pair. That is the UA pair. Alright guys, this is where they messed up, and I'm not talking about the UA factory either. I'm talking about Jumpman themselves. They really fumbled, they really dropped the ball. The release is dope, but like I said, I'm a big firm and fan of details in sneakers, and this is where they failed and the replica factory won, because this is what they gave us. This is from the authentic pair from Nike. And this is from my boy at my rep factory. Remember, all his links to everything will be down below, his WhatsApp number and everything. They actually came with the plastic shoe trees. Alright, having a look at the back. See, now this is the replica pair, and right beside it is the authentic pair from Nike. It's wild that the differences are really not that different, man. So crazy. Replica, Nike. Told you guys, night and day. Replica, Nike. Replica, Nike. Alright guys, we'll have a look at the laces. This is the rep pair. take a look at the tongue as well. Even in the middle of the tongue, you know, where you got that Jumpman patch, Jordan Jumpman. Really not a crazy difference, guys. Laces are different, yet look exactly the same. See, that's where the reps gotta go. They got the widow's peak there. Nothing here. Rep toe cap. Nike toe cap. Please. The only difference is that little hint of blue, man. Alright, guys, I turned the light down a little here. Taking a look at the outsole. Look at this, guys. The only difference you're gonna see right now is the carbon fiber. And maybe a little hint of a blue difference, but nothing really significantly different. I'm sorry, man, but these guys are really getting good at what they're doing, man. It's actually pretty scary. Because people scam. That's the only thing I don't like about it, man. Is people scam. But look at these. You can't tell the difference. If, like I said, if you didn't have your retail pair in front of you, you would not know. If I didn't tell you, you would not know. All right, guys, so let me know what you think of the comparison to the UA pair. I would love to hear what you guys have to say down in the comment section down below. Please do me a favor. Make sure you comment what you think of the video down below. I truly appreciate it. Anyway, guys, I got a lot of work to do, got a lot of editing to do. I truly appreciate you guys from the bottom of my heart. Remember, all the information you need if you want to cop these reps. Remember, do not try and scam nobody. All the information will be in the links down below. Please do me a favor. Also, don't forget to subscribe. Also, follow me on Instagram. Until next time, it's your man, the son of some man, and I'm out, guys. Peace. Here's a little sneak peek. I did promise you guys a little comparison to the 2010 Cool Grays, which are right here. As you can see, there's a huge difference from the patent leather cut to the height to the color of the outsole. Grays really don't look the same. The Jumpman's a little bit thicker. He gained some weight. See, also too, it never had the widow's peak. I mean, it's there, but you could barely see it. Not like this pair today, you know. Look at that. Feel me? This is the carbon fiber on the 2010 pair. Carbon fiber on the 2021 pair. Here's the front of the shoes. Really crazy. Yet they're the same shoe, but how different they could look. On the side, we got this side angle. To that side, it's very dope. Let's check out the back real quick. Yeah, the height difference. Like I said, Jumpman's a little bit skinnier over here, a little thicker over here.